Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome with a new video. Here's you are seeing a scenery of natural beauty. It's an island that is La Palma Island situated in Canary Islands of Spain. Spain is a country full of natural beauty and inspiring landscapes. From the dramatic imposing mountains and countless beaches make it more coastline and beautiful. But in this video we will not discuss the beauty of Spain or Spanish islands, but in this video we will discuss the volcano eruption on the Spanish island of La Palma on 19th of September. This volcano ending lava shooting in the air and streaming in river towards houses into villages. But fortunately, people evacuated from 3 towns and more than 6,000 people evacuated before damaging hundreds of homes because this lava raced across La Palma port of Spanish Canary Islands. In this video, we will discuss the health hazards of volcano or the effects of it. Effects are deterioration of water quality, few periods of rain, crop damages, and destruction of vegetation. Due to this lava, increased respiratory system morbidity has been observed as well as mortality among these affected by volcanic eruptions. Because lava flows are extremely hot, the temperature was between 1000 to 2000 degrees Celsius, that is 1800 or 3600 degree Fahrenheit. They can cause severe burns and often burn down vegetation and structures also. This Palma Island is very famous due to its banana production, and these bananas are more special in Spain and specifically called as Platanos de Canarias. So, due to high temperature, burns are noticed, and infectious diseases, carbon dioxide and fluoride gases that can be toxic to humans can collect in volcanic ash. The resulting ash fall can lead to crop failure, animal death, deformity, and human illness. Besides these, skin and eye diseases are noticed because ash's abrasive particles can scratch the surface of the skin and eyes, causing discomfort and inflammation. So, health concerns after a volcanic eruption includes infectious diseases, respiratory illness, burns, injuries from fell and vehicle accidents related to slippery hazy conditions caused by ash. Because this volcanic ash caused slippery conditions, so these slippery conditions caused accidents, vehicle accidents, and injuries from fall also noticed. So, at the end, we all should pray from Allah Almighty protect all of us from these kind of disasters. May Allah bless all of you and protects us from these disasters and protect us always. Thank you for watching.